What's up, Shakayla?
Touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so